Healthy hair is a sign of general well-being and youth. A person's hair color and style can significantly alter the physical appearance of a person and thus his or her body image. But graying of hair is considered as a sign of old age, and if that graying occurs prematurely, then it can also adversely affect the self-esteem of an individual.
By the way, my husband started getting grey hair at the ripe age of 16 only. Oops.
Anywho, in this video I'm going to share why does hair turn grey, what is the difference between normal graying and premature graying of hair, can supplements reverse or slow the graying of hair, if so, which ones, and most importantly, what are the things that you can do to halt and possibly reverse the graying of hair at home, what are some of the DIY remedies that I swear by, and much more.
Did you know
Grey hair isn't really white or grey, but it appears so because of the pale yellowish tinge of the protein keratin. Just like polar bears, it looks white by the way light reflects off of it. Hi, I'm Dr. Sanoba Peza Doctor. I'm a board certified dermatologist practicing integrative and holistic health and dermatology. On this channel, we discuss everything related to skincare, hair care, and healthy aging. So make sure you smash that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any new videos that get uploaded. Let the learning begin. First, let's understand why is hair pigmented.
and what gives hair its color?
Some suggest it may be for detoxification, as natural toxins like heavy metals bind to the pigment melanin to be excreted from the body from the outgrowth of hair. That's why you can estimate the amount of fish consumption from the mercury content of one's hair clippings. At the molecular level, various genes and signaling pathways influence the pigmentation of hair. Genetic and environmental factors also influence the hair's follicle stem cells and melanocytes. These are the cells that produce melanin, which gives skin and hair its color. So the obvious next question to understand will be,
Why does hair turn grey?
graying of hair is also called conitis or achromotrichia. This occurs with normal aging. However, the age at which it occurs is different in different races. Premature graying of hair is defined as graying of hair before the age of 20 years in Caucasians and before the age of 30 years in the African American population. Now, the exact cause of graying still remains incompletely understood, but I want you to pay attention to the following points. The failure of antioxidants and the presence of reactive oxygen species damage the melanocytes, that is the cell responsible for giving hair its color. Conditions like progeria and vitiligo are also associated with early graying of hair. Vitamin B12 deficiency, decreased thyroid hormones, drugs used to treat malaria, chemotherapy, smoking, nutritional deficiencies, protein energy malnutrition, diseases causing chronic loss of protein, copper and iron deficiency, low levels of ferritin, calcium and vitamin D3. All of these have been implicated in the graying and premature graying of hair. A recent study on young adults in Turkey revealed that premature graying of hair is closely related to certain factors that are related to oxidative stress, such as emotional stress, alcohol consumption, and chronic diseases in genetically predisposed men and women. During residency, we were taught about the rule of thumb that by the age of 50 years, 50% of the population would have 50% of their hair turned grey.
Betty bought a butter, but the butter was bitter, so Betty bought a better butter to make the bitter butter better.
What are you saying?
I thought we were having a tongue twister challenge.
Can we get back to the topic, please?
Okay, so based on the tongue twister you just mentioned, it means that the remaining 50% would still have black hair.
That's right.
So how can I slow down the graying of my hair?
While there are many things that you can do, there is no 100% sure answer that it will work for you. For the most part, hair coloring is the go-to method of getting your hair color back.
And that's not in its true sense.
Also, not all hair colors are created equally. There are permanent and temporary hair dyes. Also, natural hair dyes are much better as they are hypoallergenic and relatively non-toxic. I have already made a dedicated video on this topic, so make sure you check that out to learn which are the safe and best hair dye options that are available today. Although various vitamins and minerals such as biotin, zinc, copper, and selenium are prescribed to reverse graying of hair, especially when it occurs prematurely, the results in scientific studies have not been very promising. There is a case report where two adolescent girls having premature graying of hair were treated with 200 milligrams of calcium pantothenate daily, and their graying hair was successfully reversed.
But that's just one case report.
Nonetheless, calcium pantothenate can be helpful. Something very peculiar and rather helpful that I've started noticing in my clients is the use of red light therapy devices. Make sure you get a good one that actually delivers what it says. I'll drop the link of my favorite one and that I use personally in the description below. But apart from regrowth of hair, red light therapy can also help getting back or maintaining the hair pigment and color.
Are there any supplements that can help with graying of hair?
Alpha-lipoic acid, ubiquinol, catalase, vitamin D3 and K2, and supplementing with iron, copper and selenium, especially if you are deficient, can be very helpful. I have seen some very good results, especially with catalase and specific supplements based on an individual's needs.
I'll leave the links to those in the description below.
So discuss this with your doctor when you get a chance.
Perfect. Any DIYs that you would recommend?
Remember, I always advise being very wary about DIYs, especially those that promise unrealistic results. But since you have me, you don't have to worry, as I will try to guide you in the right direction.
So I went through a list of some very bizarre DIYs,
But the best ones in my humble opinion, and the ones that I have seen work personally in my patients, include Triphala. Mix 1 teaspoon of Triphala powder and 2 teaspoons of honey. Take this on an empty stomach, preferably in the morning. Triphala isn't meant for everyone though, and I have shared the dangers of Ayurvedic medicines in a separate video, so make sure you check that out as well. But consuming Triphala regularly can help prevent graying of hair by regulating any internal imbalances within the body. The second home remedy that you can try is the application of 1 tablespoon of amla oil or 2 tablespoons of amla paste directly over the scalp. Leave it for about 30 minutes or so and then wash it off with a mild shampoo. Certain yoga postures such as Sirsasana, Uttanasana and Pavana Muktasana can help, as they all contribute to improve blood circulation to the scalp, which can nourish the hair follicles and potentially slow down the graying of hair. Let me know in the comments below if you know of a remedy that works for reversing graying of hair. As with every form of treatment, I have seen the best results when the treatment is individualized and tailored according to your body type. Every human being's needs, requirements, and circumstances are different. Okay? Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and don't keep this information to yourself. Share the video so that we can help more people make educated and good choices. I'll leave you with another fun fact. Our own eyelashes tend to be the darkest hair on the human body
and undergo graying significantly slower
as compared to hair present over the rest of your body. Continue to glow, thrive and shine as always.
Take care.
I'll see you soon.
But keep your head up, Charlie. We were made for this life, yeah. Wait to see how we rise up. We've been down for too long, waiting for a come up. Better days around the corner. All the pain made us stronger, yeah. We aim for the long run. Keep on surviving.